Hi, my name is Aiden Heke and I am the Australian CEO for Decision Inc. And welcome to the final part of our executive education on data and analytics. In this section, I'll talk briefly about next steps. Having been through the process of understanding data and analytics, what do you do as a first step as an organisation, as a leader inside an organisation? At Decision Inc., we would recommend a few simple steps. The first piece of the puzzle would be understanding your maturity across the organisation. There are a number of maturity assessment tools and methodologies, one of which Decision Inc. provide, and we would recommend that you use one of these to assess the whole of business data and analytics maturity. And what this will do will help you understand where the hotspots are, where are the areas of concern, where are the areas of maturity that you can utilise, and where do you need to focus your energies and efforts. Secondly, you need to understand the business strategy, and in particular, define or redefine the data strategy in line with the business strategy. It's important to understand that the data strategy is a means to an end of realising the business strategy. Next, you would assess your analytics capability, so develop a baseline across all aspects, people, process, and technology. This will help you then start to work out a program of change. Importantly, with the program of change, you want to focus on business value. You need to understand where the biggest bang for buck is going to be realised across your organisation. This will develop some of the big ticket items, and it'll help you understand what are the data gaps, your data sources, issues, and help you build a plan towards developing the analytics to solve those big issues within your organisation. Remember to focus on the value that you're returning to the business. Being able to establish proof points for the investment in data and analytics is very important, and being able to show that into your revenue growth, or ideally into your profit improvement efforts. And finally, just remember that there will always be a balance between removing what we would call the technical debt, and that is the many bespoke and often defunct analytics and reporting that sits inside your business, versus developing new capabilities to solve some of the bigger problems within your company. Understanding how to get that balance right is critical to making sure that you balance cost savings initiatives against developing business value. We hope that you've enjoyed this executive education series and that you have learnt along the way and enjoyed the discourse. Thank you very much.